What's good, people? Giving you a quick review of the Wakeup Copenhagen Borgergade. It is a pretty nice looking hotel, big lobby, nice little business center. It has a pretty big cafeteria where you can go and grab something to eat. We stayed in room 551 and it was really tiny. Like, this is it. Check out the shower, really small. There goes your sink and toilet, and that's as big as it is. The windows are really nice and big and they're right next to the bed, so it gives you nice sunlight when you are just waking up. And there's not much. There's a TV, there's a table. Check this out.
A phone booth.
I could barely turn around. It's like a phone booth.
No room to scrub. Barely enough room to scrub.
What's cool is that they have bikes available to rent. They have a nice little outdoor space. I wouldn't rent the bikes from there because they're a little expensive. I'd rather just do a Donkey Republic because it's right across the street. Anyway, it's a pretty pricey hotel, but that's Copenhagen for you. At least it's in a central location, so you're not far from a lot of things. Thanks for watching.